What's going on? So today we got a video from Cops and Donuts, and the title of the video is Impersonating a Police Officer at a Protest. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here.
I am a peace officer in the state of Illinois, and I'm also a federal peace officer with the Department of Homeland
You have nothing that says that. You would have an idea if you were a weapon.
Again, what I'm explaining is we're contractors. We're contractors
You would still have an ID that says that you are a security guard or a police officer.
So again, what I'm pushing is we are contractors. So we are contracted by government agencies to stand in official capacity duties, right? So we get orders, and what our orders say is what we do. That's it.
Do you have another ID?
One more time.
Do you have another ID?
I have a Ford car.
No, I mean as far as IDs.
No.
No? Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
You have a FOID card?
I do.
Concealed carry?
One more time.
Do you have concealed carry
I'm exempt.
or a tan car?
One more time. I'm exempt because I'm a federal. I'm a police officer, so I'm exempt from.
It's not a police officer. You can't have this. This would be a shirt you can have.
A police officer is allowed to resist. The code is right here.
I know, but you can't present yourself as a police officer.
I'm a contractor for the state department.
You should have some type of ID.
What is your job?
I am to observe and report. That is all.
Observe and report what?
The police and the civilians. That is all.
By the State Department?
Yes, that is exactly what.
Damn, come on, young fella. Come on, bro. You young enough. You look like you in shape. Come on. You could go through the proper channels to become a real police officer. You don't have to be faking no cop. Look at it. Look at the shirt. Just look at the shirt. The quality of the shirt, man. You know that was made at some t-shirt shop downtown somewhere, man. Come on.
No State Department identifications. I know. So who's the contractor that you work for then?
I work for myself. I own the company.
There we go.
I'm a veteran, and as a veteran, you can contract with the government through contracts.
Right. But you would not have a police shirt on.
You're identifying yourself as a police officer.
I have not identified.
You are.
What does that say? It says police. That's identifying as a police officer.
It is not identified.
Okay. Young man,
I'm
been doing this for 29 years.
Thank you for your service.
You are 100% identifying yourself as a police officer.
Okay.
And say Chicago police officer, and say Cook County, but you're identifying yourself as police. You have a weapon on you, you have a badge on you. That is 100% identifying yourself as a police officer. And what you have shown me here, these are not official documents. You've been making this all on your own here. So, anybody could make this up. This is not
We got it open up
credentials for you to be walking around like you're walking around. So you say your job is to observe? I should have been recording in the beginning, but this is being recorded. You say your job is to observe and report citizens and the police? Under whose jurisdiction?
One more time.
Whose jurisdiction?
Well, first to start off under my First Amendment right.
No,
right?
see, but in your capacity, no.
Right, I'm going back. That was just being germane, right? Broad, one might say. Here, these are my orders to say what I'm doing. I'm here on behalf of the State Department. I'm with the Crisis and Control Preventative Department. We are to watch and observe. That is
Who was we?
One more time.
Who was we?
There's 7 of us out here.
And where are the other 6?
I don't know. Up
So,
there maybe, back there
what kind of
maybe.
communication? When you're in trouble, you need assistance. How do you? Do they just show up?
Trouble with what?
Well, you're identifying yourself as a police officer. You have a weapon. What if
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Well, you're identifying yourself as a police officer. You have a weapon. What if I'm a bad guy and I decide to do something to you?
Are you a bad guy?
You're not listening. I say, you know what? This is what's going to happen. We're going to take your weapon from you. Place you in custody. We're going to place you in custody for identifying yourself as a police officer falsely. You understand that? So turn around, put your hands.
Keep it open right now, please. Thank you. Keep it open right now. Is the mission here in Bridget?
No, it's not open.
This young man is saying that he's contracted by the State Department to work in the capacity of some kind of police officer. We've already taken his weapon from him. This is what he's stating are his credentials. He's got a FOID card, so he needs to be taken in and verify if any of that is true, and if it's not, you know, it's for identifying a police officer.
Sounds good. This is going to be all his property here?
Yes.
He's got a gun somewhere. I don't know what it is. I think the Sarge has it here. You got any other weapons in here?
No.
Is there another weapon in there?
No, I'm checking for.
You know, if you don't know what a FOID card is, it's a firearms owner identification card. So this is what they give out for the state of Illinois for residents to legally possess or purchase firearms and ammunition. Okay. Yeah, so that's what a FOID card is. FOID. All right, so.
You have a CCL?
One more time.
You have a CCL permit?
Again, I don't need one. I am exempt from it because I am a peace officer.
All news reports on the offender still under North Larrabee at the target. A broken up blast, clearly still from target.
We're going to take you in right now, check your credentials. If everything checks out, different story, all right?
You know everything ain't gonna check out.
One more time.
You have your supervisor's info?
Yes.
Contact?
My guys is the,
All right, let's go.
1823.
Yeah, we'll switch out cuffs. Hi, give me your cuffs, yeah. Don't move. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, please.
These are pretty. These are pretty cooperative. Not to say that they can't change, but.
Hey, if you're not too far from that,
Cops down on Jordan.
Michigan, show 162 Eddie with custody. 162 Eddie with 162.
Be quick.
Count 717, perfect.
And then there's no way we can put cuffs in the front or no, the proper way is in the back.
one more time.
The proper way is to have them in the back. But it also says you can under the discretion of the officer have it in the front. There's not no discretion in the officer.
He was charged with. Let me move this. He was charged with deceptive practice, counterfeiting documents, impersonation, weapons violation, unlawful possession of a handgun. What an idiot. He said he was in the military or something too. Just go down, take the test, become a cop if you want to be a cop. Like, what's the big deal? Like, some cities require you to have a college degree, and some only require you to have the credits, so I don't even understand it. I don't know. I get a cop, they get a 3, satisfied. They did their job. Ain't nothing special, nothing crazy,
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.